In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF with clickable links from Google Sheets. Many people use Google Sheets because it's perfect for organizing data, collaborating with others, and providing useful insights into various types of information. But did you know that you can also leverage Google Sheets to create documents that can be exported as PDFs, all while maintaining those essential clickable links? This can be particularly useful for creating reports, proposals, or any document that requires a dynamic link directly within the text. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you're going to want to open up your Google Sheets document. Make sure you have your data all set up and ready to be worked on. Whether you're dealing with a detailed budget plan or perhaps a list of contacts, having your content organized is key. Next, let's choose a cell where you want to insert a clickable link. Click on the cell to select it, and then use the right mouse button to access additional options. This right-click function will bring up a new menu, and from here you want to look for and select the Insert Link option. This is where the magic begins, linking directly within your spreadsheet. Now enter the URL or website link you'd like to connect with the selected cell. It's important to ensure that this link is correct and fully functional. Double check it if you need to. In the dialog box that opens up, type your desired address into the provided field. Once done, click on Apply. This step will underline and highlight your chosen text, indicating that it is indeed now a clickable hyperlink. With your link established, it's now time to export your Google Sheet as a PDF. Navigate over to the upper toolbar and move the cursor to File. Click on File and then scroll down the list to find Download. Hover over this to open a new submenu where you'll find PDF Document, Size to PDF. Select this option and you will arrive at the Export Settings window. Here you can make selections regarding page layout, scaling, and other formatting needs that ensure your document appears just right. After confirming these settings, click the Export button. Google Sheets will compile your document, and in just a moment, you will have your PDF file complete with clickable links. And that's it. You now have a professionally formatted PDF from your Google Sheets ready to be shared with active, clickable links. This simple capability can dramatically enhance the usability and functionality of your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy sheet crafting, and see you in our next video.